The basics of any business model are to make their customers happy and satisfied. To run their activities smoothly, customer relationship is the foremost crucial digital marketing strategy in business development and engagement. Businesses are achieving their mark of success by making customers success. Digital marketing experts are focusing on their customers only one time, but this is going to be a colossal mistake to retain the customer back. The second purchase is essential for creating a high-value customer for the business. As per the statistics, it is straightforward to retain first-time purchaser rather than going for a new customer. The chance of selling a product or service to the already existing user is 60 to 70%, whereas selling a product or service to a new customer is like 5 to 20%. Strategies which build customer relationship in digital marketing. Reminding life moments. Reminding the best moments of customer lives. It might be an anniversary or birthday. Selecting that occasion, customizing the mail, wishing them and promoting our products will enhance the customer retention as well as we make a beautiful impression in customers' view. Especially birthday mails are 5 times more profit generating and 2 times more improvement in the web traffic. Intimate about price drop. When people add items to their wish list, but they won't purchase those items, in that case, if the business gives the intimation of notification by saying price has dropped for a specific product, then there will be a motivation for the people to purchase certain products, and that will act as the improvement in the business. Notify the renew of service or products. Suppose the customer is purchasing a specific product or service on a monthly or weekly basis. In that case, business must and should remind about the product that is going to expire soon. This intimation will lead them to purchase back. For example, Geo Network reminds customers to recharge to avail unlimited services before the offer expires. Predict what your customers are spending. Artificial intelligence is the source to navigate customer purchasing behaviors on a monthly or weekly basis. Based on their expenses, AI can notify customers through text messages, and they craft the offers in such a way where a customer can get maximum benefits through the system of data. In this way, businesses can boost their low-value customers to come to the high-priority customers by making them have a habit of purchasing stuff from their website or application. Extra engagement services to valuable customers. The customers who be loyal to the company products, and they come back to us time to time, are the most critical valuable customers for the business. In a business point of view, they are the VIP customers. To retain them and give the reward of giving priority in the future sales by giving VIP state and providing discounts and coupons, etc. Request customers for review. After a purchase, the sale completes, and business earns an amount of money to their kitty, but they are not going to reach the customer. That is why businesses need to portray their interest by request a review for their service in return. Reviews will give great feedback about the company, and we can mitigate flaws through that review, and enhance business opportunities by making an excellent service in future. Customer-generated content. Encourage the customers to interact with the brand or business on the internet. Through that, a separate market will get to know about our business to come back and use our products and services. Customers can showcase those product interest stories in the social media platforms, and those posts company can reshare their social media platform. Use analytics to know customer journey. Understanding what your customers are essentially looking in your site is very important. Their engagement is a future step for businesses to take into consideration. Digital marketing experts can analyze customer behaviors through different tools like Google Analytics and other sources of softwares. Concluding the journey. Customer is the real king in the business world. Retaining them and making them stick onto our system of work is essential for businesses to be in successful routes. And digital marketing is playing an indispensable role in crafting the strategies and making customers commute towards our website and building traffic as well as achieving marketing goals. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.